Imagine this. You are an engineer in the oil and gas industry. One day, your company discovers a new offshore oil field. The management calls you in and says, prepare a project proposal to design and build the drilling platform. Now, think carefully. For example, if your proposal is weak, unclear, or poorly structured, the company might reject it and give the opportunity to another team. But if your proposal is strong, you could lead one of the most important projects of your career. So, how do you write such a proposal? In this video on academic engineering, we'll go step by step through the process, using examples from the oil and gas industry. By the end, you'll know exactly how to write a proposal that gets approved. Every proposal begins with a problem statement. Without a problem, there's no reason for a project. For example, in our offshore oil case, the problem could be, current oil production from existing wells is declining, and to meet future demand, the company must develop new offshore fields. See how this problem is clear and urgent? That's how you start your proposal, with a problem that makes decision makers pay attention. Once the problem is clear, you need objectives. Objectives are the goals your project will achieve. For example, to design, construct, and commission an offshore drilling platform capable of producing 50,000 barrels of oil per day within 3 years. Notice this is specific, measurable, and time-bound. That's the kind of objective that makes your proposal professional. Next comes the solution. This is the heart of your proposal. For example, in our oil project, the solution could include building a fixed steel jacket platform, installing advanced drilling technology for higher efficiency, following international safety and environmental standards. But don't just list these points, connect them. For example, we propose a fixed steel jacket platform because it is durable, stable, and cost-effective for the water depth of this field. See, the solution directly answers the problem and supports the objectives. That's how you make it convincing. A solution is only believable when it comes with a plan. For example, your proposal might include this timeline. Year 1, detailed design and government approvals. Year 2, construction and offshore installation. Year 3, testing, commissioning, and production start. When decision makers see this, they can clearly imagine progress step by step. Of course, no project proposal is complete without cost and resources. For example, you could write, the total estimated cost is $500 million, covering design, construction, labor, and specialized drilling equipment. Funding will come from both company reserves and external investors. Also highlight resources, engineers, contractors, safety experts, and equipment suppliers. This shows your proposal is realistic and well thought out. Every project has risks. What matters is how you plan for them. For example, risk, harsh offshore weather. Mitigation, design the platform with extra safety margins and schedule heavy construction during calmer months. This makes decision makers trust you because you're not ignoring risks, you're preparing for them. Let's tie everything together with our oil and gas example. The problem was clear, production from old wells is falling. The objective was specific. Build a new offshore platform producing 50,000 barrels a day in 3 years. The solution was practical. A fixed steel jacket platform with advanced drilling technology. The plan showed step-by-step progress. Design, build, and commission over 3 years. The budget and resources were realistic. $500 million, skilled engineers, and modern equipment. The risks were acknowledged and controlled. Bad weather, handled with smart design and scheduling. Do you see the flow? Each part connects naturally to the next. By the end, your proposal tells a complete story, from the problem all the way to the solution and risk management. And that's the secret. A winning project proposal is not just a document, it's a story of how you will turn a challenge into success. So whether you're a student writing your first proposal or a professional preparing one for industry, remember this: keep it clear, structured, and connected, just like the example we walked through today. If this helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Academic Engineering, where we turn engineering knowledge into real-world power.